Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience with the platform, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a look at Voog, a website building platform found at voog.com. Now, Voog might not be a household name like Wix or Squarespace, but it definitely offers a unique approach to website creation. It's aimed at those who want a simple, yet powerful way to build and manage their online presence, particularly if they prioritize multilingual capabilities. While Voog excels in certain areas, it does come with its own set of limitations. In this video, I'll be diving into my experience with Voog, exploring its strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right fit for your website needs. One of the standout features of Voog is its intuitive interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those with limited technical skills. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to add and arrange elements on your pages, allowing for a high degree of customization. Voog also boasts a robust blogging engine, making it a great choice for content creators. You can easily create and publish blog posts, manage comments, and integrate social media sharing. However, Voog's template selection is somewhat limited compared to other platforms. While the available templates are visually appealing and responsive, the lack of variety might be a drawback for some users. Another potential downside is the pricing structure. While Voog does offer a free trial, its paid plans can be a bit more expensive than some of its competitors. Furthermore, the e-commerce functionality isn't as comprehensive as platforms specifically designed for online stores. So, if you're planning to sell a large number of products, Voog might not be the ideal solution. Despite these limitations, Voog's multilingual support is a major selling point. It allows you to easily create and manage websites in multiple languages, which is a huge advantage for businesses and individuals targeting a global audience. This feature alone sets Voog apart from many other website builders. Overall, Voog is a solid platform for building simple, yet effective websites. Its user-friendly interface, powerful blogging engine, and impressive multilingual support are definite highlights. However, the limited template selection, pricing, and e-commerce capabilities are factors to consider. Be sure to check out the link in the description and try Voog for yourself to see if it meets your specific requirements.